Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Unity Car. The 2025 Toyota Urban Cruiser Taisor is a car that will amaze everyone with its stunning design and modern features. Its exterior is truly remarkable, and today on Unity Car, we will do a complete analysis. Stay connected with us so you don't miss out on our upcoming amazing videos. The body of the Toyota Urban Cruiser Taisor embodies modernity and style, making it stand out on the road. Its front grille is quite aggressive and bold, giving it a premium SUV-like feel. Chrome accents have been used, enhancing the car's luxurious appeal. At the front, you get LED headlamps that not only add to its beauty but also provide excellent visibility at night. The bumper design is quite muscular, featuring large air intakes that improve the car's aerodynamics. The bonnet has subtle creases that further refine its sporty look. Toyota has designed its side profile to be both premium and modern. You'll see sleek body lines along with large and stylish alloy wheels that enhance its road presence. The side mirrors come with integrated LED turn indicators, adding to the car's advanced look. The door handles and window lines have a chrome touch, further enhancing its premium appeal. The roof features roof rails, which not only contribute to its sporty look but also add practicality to this SUV. The rear design of the Toyota Urban Cruiser Taisor is just as stunning as its front. The LED tail lamps are connected through a horizontal bar, creating a continuous signature light effect. This light bar gives the car a futuristic and high-tech appearance. The rear bumper is also quite muscular, featuring skid plates that highlight its off-roading capability. The spoiler is beautifully designed, complementing its sporty nature. A rear window defogger is included, providing excellent visibility during winter. The exhaust design is quite sporty, enhancing both its performance and style. Speaking of size, the Toyota Urban Cruiser Taisor has a good ground clearance, making it perfect for all types of roads. Its length and width are well proportioned, giving it a compact SUV feel while still appearing spacious and muscular. The aerodynamics are well optimized, ensuring stability even at high speeds. This SUV is not just stylish but also strong. Toyota has used high-strength steel in its construction, enhancing its safety and reinforcing the chassis. The doors and panels are made of high-quality, durable materials, ensuring longevity. Overall, the 2025 Toyota Urban Cruiser Taisor is an SUV that combines stunning design, stylish appeal, and durability. Every angle of this vehicle reflects modernity, strength, and elegance. If you're looking for an SUV that not only has an excellent design but also grabs everyone's attention on the road, this could be the perfect choice for you. If you like this video, subscribe to Unity Car and stay connected with us so you don't miss our upcoming amazing videos.